Dennis Garrett with ARP Roofing and Solar on a job that we just wrapped up yesterday. We're finishing up the details on it today. But I want to tell you folks, I'm really excited. We just saved this building owner over $25,000. How did we do that? Well, we restored the roofing system that he had instead of tearing off the existing system that he had before. Saves you a ton of money, it saves time and labor. My guys really kicked it on this one yesterday, and you can see the finished product behind me. Smooth, seamless, bright white. It's gonna have some good reflectivity for the UV. And guys, we kill this every day at ARP, so look us up, arproofing.com. Look for me, hashtag Cowboy on your roof.